Namaste friends, this is a breakfast recipe, vegetable paniyarams or vegetable appe. The batter is ready to make paniyarams. This normal idli dosha batter. Let's see a quick recipe of the batter. Take 3 cups of idli rice and 1 cup of urad dal. Wash both and soak for about 8 hours. Add 1 tablespoon of methi seeds also while soaking. After 8 hours, grind these into a smooth batter and keep for fermentation for another 8 hours. Here I got the fermented fluffy soft batter. I am going to add some tempering in this batter to make the paniyarams. For tempering the batter, in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. When mustard seeds start spluttering, add the other ingredients. 2 green chilies finely chopped and finely chopped ginger pieces. Give a stir. Now add jeera or cumin seeds. Keep the flame low. The cumin seeds should not turn black. Now add finely chopped onions. I have taken 1 small onion for this. Give a stir for a few seconds. When onion changes its color, add grated carrots. I took about half of a carrot. You can also add any other vegetable of your choice in this. No need to overcook the carrot, it will lose its crunchiness. Just give a stir for a few seconds, that's enough. Now switch off the flame and add finely chopped curry leaves and coriander leaves. Remove the pan from the flame and allow this to cool down completely before adding to the batter. Now take the required batter to make paniyarams or appe. Add the tempered mix into the batter. Mix all together well. Now the batter is ready to make the paniyarams or appe. Paniyaram pan on the flame. Don't allow the pan to heat dry. Add oil into the bowls and then heat the pan. If you dry heat the pan, the paniyarams may stick to the pan while flipping. The pan is hot now. Pour the batter into each molds with a spoon. Pour the batter one by one into the molds like this. After pouring the batter, keep the flame low. Otherwise the paniyarams will be crispy outside but it will remain uncooked from inside. So keep the flame low, close the pan with a lid and allow to cook them properly. The batter is set now. check the bottom part. It has turned crispy. Now flip all of them. Paniyarams are done. Now you can take out one by one like this. See how crispy and golden color these are. You can have this with coconut chutney or with sambar. Even you can have this as it is. Already there are all the spices and veggies in them. Do try out this recipe. See you again with more such interesting recipes. Thank you.